Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to Greatmats Horse Training Series. So here's a 2-year-old filly, and we're gonna get on her and we're gonna warm her up for just a second, and then we're gonna go down the driveway and get her feet moving. And I'm gonna talk you through the steps on what I would do with this filly. This is a pleasure-bred filly. She'll probably never see the outside world, but today she is going to experience it. She's been out a few other times, and this is just gonna add to her repertoire, I guess you'd say, where she can be a little bit more of a solid citizen in the show pen or out. And one of the first steps we're gonna do is, just like I do with every horse, is I wanna disengage that hip. Prior to getting on, I'll just take this inside rein, pick up on it, and ask for that hip to disengage. I want this inside hind leg to cross over the outside hind leg. I want her to cross over. And if she's not crossing real deep, I'll actually pick up on this inside rein, spank her forward just a touch. Forward motion. Once she's crossed over just a step or two, we're gonna release and go to the other side. We'll do the same thing this other way, asking for this hip to disengage, cross over in the hind. This is a relaxing exercise. This is a stretching exercise, stretches her out prior to me getting on. This is horse yoga, if you will. Prior to me getting on her, we've just stretched her out just a touch, so when I get on her, then she's a little bit more soft and supple for me to get on. When I get on, I can step up in the saddle. We've moved her and moved her and moved her, so the reverse psychology to it is she wants to keep her feet standing still. So when we get on, she stands and is a lady for that. Once I get on, I'm just gonna ask her to move forward, and just like I did from the ground, I'm gonna do from her back. I'm gonna disengage that hip and ask her to kick that hip a little bit and stretch out. And this is just to reiterate what we did from the ground. Once we get her both ways and she's soft, pick up on her. A few rocks in the driveway she's hitting, but cross over in the hind, disengage that hip. There, nice cross. And I'm just gonna take her and we're gonna move our feet and get down the driveway. This is a really good technique to get these horses moving out and exploring. And rather than just riding an arena, it really sets their mind for the future. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats Horse Training Series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.